Like a Hellcat.
Intercepted away, controlled yet again. Nice pass there from Abreham. Here they come again. Chance! Oh! What a cracker! Beauty of a goal from a defender. Abreham, what a beauty! What a beauty from Abreham. Well, he did not know that ball had gone through Abel, but the defender from Dedan Football Club scores the first goal here for Eritrea. Djibouti 0, Eritrea 1, and it's a defender, Abreham, switching that ball into the back of the net. It's 1-0 here, and we still have a game. Well, trust me, Innocent, just could not believe this. Here we go. Nice pass to Abreham, back and back of the net there. Super goal. Well, maybe the goalkeeper should have done better. But what a goal, what a goal. A good goal deserves a good celebration. But they shouldn't be very, very excited because anything can happen. Teklik Michael. Very good composure at the back from the Eritrean side. They're looking for more avenue. This is Khalifa. Mubarak Khalifa beats his markers. Will be able to go to the byline, crosses. No, he doesn't. It is still on play. It's inside the zone. It's a shot on beauty. Now that's how you finish a game. That's how you totally finish a game. The build-up was perfect. And at the end of the day, Ali Suleiman Ibrahim scores that all-important goal that could be taking this Eritrean side above Djibouti. Well, that is his second goal in the competition, Ali Suleiman. But look at the build-up here from Mubarak Khalifa. Gets the ball well, beats his markers. Towards the byline he goes, lays it back into play. And Suleiman shoots at the tight corner. Bam! Now that's a goal. What's celebrating like this? Good goal it was. Chasagana! Finish it! He's the top scorer right now. A lethal weapon from Eritrea. Ali Suleimani makes it 3-0. And that's his third goal of the competition so far. The boy is on fire. And the boy is a superstar in CECAFA. Movement good, finishing good. Ali Suleimani buries the hopes of Djibouti in the semi-final. Well, they have actually been very outstanding. They have been a darling of very many with their football. Ball given away to the keeper innocently, and he makes the pass through, but stolen away. Ali Suleimani just couldn't miss from such a distance. Djibouti 0, Eritrea 3. And we have just 7 minutes of football to play in this match. Look at the coach's excitement. Here they come again.